Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I want to show you what I would say is the most beautiful master bathroom remodel that's happening in the last year in probably the continental United States. This bathroom is just incredible. It's very large. It's got a very unique style. The design of it was totally done in-house by Home Love Construction, by our design department, and I'm incredibly excited to show it to you. So in this bathroom, there's some really interesting, there's a lot going on. First off, like there's the shower and the tub and the vanity and the wall and the fireplace. There's a lot noted for sure. But there's some really key features that were really important to the homeowners that I want to highlight for you. The one is having the one-of-a-kind shower surround. The way that the shower surround is done is it was actually designed using radiuses of circles. So what we did is basically we designed the whole interior of the shower to feel curved, right? Like you'll notice the niches are curved, the wall is curved. The only thing that's flat is the wall where the valve is, and that's simply because it had to be that way in order to have the valve go in, which is something we caught in the design phase, by the way. If you're interested in design, homelove.construction/design, we can totally handle any size design project for you. But in the shower, it's curved, which you're not gonna see a lot of. The installers had to literally take and mark out the center point, like the center of the circle, and then literally take a piece of string to the correct radius and mark out and keep tension on it, and then literally had to frame a curved wall to make that whole wall on the outside of the shower curved, and then the same thing on the inside. So you're gonna see that's just something that you're not gonna see anywhere else. And then what we had to do is the whole interior of the shower is done with the small mosaic tiles. And the reason for that is if you take a larger tile and try to put it on a curved wall, you're gonna have a gap. It's not gonna work. So we had to have those little tiles to contour it to the wall. Again, this was something that we handled in the design phase, and this project has gone very smoothly, especially for the size of bathroom as it was and how many unexpected things we ran into with where the plumbing was and framing and all these other things. It's gone very smooth because we designed it to be a way that's buildable. One thing that we do at Home Love Construction is we do in-house design, and what we do is we reconcile the three different pieces. We reconcile the drawings with the selections, meaning what's actually like the things that are actually going to go in the tile, the baseboard, the lights, all that, make sure it's going to work. And then we reconcile it with the actual GC side of things, like the production side, and make sure, okay, is this something we can build? And then how much does it cost to build it, obviously. So this is just coming out to an amazing project. The other thing is we did the pedestal tub, the standalone tub. That's kind of just become a hallmark now of beautiful bathrooms. So that's obviously included in this. And then the really unique thing about this bathroom is that there's a fireplace in it. There's literally a pass-through fireplace between the bathroom and the master bedroom. So what we did is we retiled both sides of that and even put in built-in cabinetry underneath to provide a little bit of extra storage. And then also to make, before there was kind of a big hearth on it and it was a little gaudy, so to speak. So we cleaned it up, made it to, chopped off the hearth and made it just nice clean lines around that fireplace. And then we did the textured tile that actually looks almost like vertical shiplap behind the vanity. The vanities are fully custom built here in Clearwater, at a local cabinet shop and hand painted. So all that's obviously custom cabinetry is just freaking beautiful. And then the tiles on the floor are quite large as well, which just makes the whole thing just look very clean. It's going to be really easy for the homeowners to clean, which is awesome. And it's literally just a beautiful one-of-a-kind shower. You've got the zero entry floor. It's just immaculate. So I'm excited to show you this as it's wrapping up. On bathrooms specifically, if you have a large bathroom and you're looking to do a major renovation of that bathroom, the design cannot be, I can't overstate the importance of the design for you. If you go into a major master bathroom remodel and you don't have a design, like you don't have a set of drawings and multiple sets of drawings for where the plumbing is going to go, for where the existing is, the demo plan, the new plan, the plumbing, the electrical, the HVAC. If you don't have all those things put together and planned out, the lighting, where's the lighting going to go? If you don't have all that planned out, there is a lot that can go wrong. A bathroom is deceivingly complicated because there's so many things in such a tight space, especially in one that's this big and there's this many things going on. If we didn't have our design, frankly, this job could have been a disaster. I mean, we would have made it go right. But the reason that we started offering designs is to make our jobs smoother, and it's totally worked. And this process has gone totally amazingly for the homeowner, and they're loving the end product. And so are we, as you can see, we're showing it off and posting pictures on social media and all that. So I'm really excited for you to see the finished product. It's going to look like something that's off of a magazine cover. Frankly, we might even try to get it on a magazine cover in the near future. That's the homeowner's line, by the way. She's like, this looks like it's off of a magazine cover. It's amazing. So we want to show you more like this. If you're interested in seeing more magazine cover quality bathrooms and kitchens and additions and whole homes and things like that, go to our YouTube channel, which is Home Love Construction, and hit the subscribe button because that's where all of our stuff is being posted on a regular basis. We're posting updates and all that kind of fun stuff. So again, that's Home Love Construction on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button to see what we're putting out. And if you need help with a project, go to homelove.construction/design. That's our design page where you can see examples of designs that we've done. You can actually see this bathroom and what it looked like during the design phase. It's kind of trippy to see the rendering of it and then the actual video and pictures of it. It's like, well, which is reality and which is the rendering. So that's super cool. If you're interested in that, again, go to homelove.construction/design and you can see what's possible for designing your ideal space, whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom, a whole home, or doing a couple custom homes, or doing an add-on or an addition or reconfiguring the interior of your home. I look forward to hearing from you super soon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.